Okay, I'm going to show you how to move all those pictures where they need to be, and then I will show you how to swap out the photos. So, and I'm sorry we have to move these somewhere else, but that's just how this template works in Pages. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is open your Photos app. So, I have my Photos app down here. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to open. If it's really huge, like mine usually does, just make it smaller because you're going to have two windows and then scoot it over. And then what you're going to want to do is go down to My Albums, open that, and then click the plus sign, and then click on Album. And then see Untitled Album, and it's already highlighted, so we just have to type in Winter Newsletter and hit Enter. So now it says it up here. I already did it. That's why you see two. So you shouldn't. It says Winter Newsletter. Okay, so we have what we need open. And now we're going to open the Finder. So go down to Finder. And we'll click on Desktop. And then we're going to scroll down to where all those pictures are. If they're all together, you can hit the first one. And then hold down the Shift key. And hit the last one. And then we're going to just drag them over. But if they're not all together, you can click the first one and then hold down the command key, and then just click on all the ones that you want. And then when you're done, let go of the command key. You're going to hover over some of these, hold down the cursor button, and then drag them over to this winter newsletter and let go. Then you got to wait, and then there they are. So now they're in our photos file under Albums, Winter Newsletter. Right, now that that's done, we can close that, and we can close our Finder. Right now we're going to go and open our the thing we just had, your newsletter. So I saved mine on here as Winter Newsletter. Oh, double click. Okay, there it is. Now that you have this open, what you're going to do is you're going to click on a picture. So you have these square dots around it. And then you're going to right click on your mouse so you get this menu. You go down here to Replace Image. This is why we had to do this, because it only opens up your photos thing for some reason. Go down to Albums, open that, then go down to, I guess, Show All. I have too many albums. Click on Winter Newsletter. There you go. You have all the pictures, and now click on the one you want, and it'll just sub it out. And you just have to do that for every one. So if I have this picture right up here, I click. So it's the boxes, and then I right click. So I get the menu, click Replace Image. And now I have to click my albums again. I don't know why it keeps going back to that, but it does. Yours should just be right up at the top there. Click on Winter Newsletter, then click on the picture you want, and it's there. You'll just have to do that for every picture. And then when you're all done, do File, Save. And then after you've done that, you can do File, Print, Save as PDF, Winter Newsletter. I'm going to actually take out the Pages part, so I'm going to click up here and hit Backspace. I only want one dot, so now it just says Winter Newsletter, and let's put the date, 2020. And I want it on my desktop. What I was going to show you before in here, if you hit Desktop, and then down here it says New Folder on your desktop, you could click that and call it whatever those letters are. I'm going to say Nurse Newsletters. You can be on the desktop, or I would put it under documents, and create. And now we can always save stuff in here. So winter newsletter, I'm going to save it in there. Now I know where it is. Anyhow, that's how we do it. I will save this and call you.